Hi friends, once again welcome back to my tech channel. Today we need to fix some of the issues which have been arising in our Google AdSense. So now I'm going to show you that how to fix the issue which was being arising in Google AdSense. Whereas earning at risk, you need to fix some ad text file issues to avoid severe impact to your revenue. Now let us fix this issue. So this is my website. I have been created a website. Either you may create in Blogger or WordPress, never mind. And after creating your website, you need to go to settings. How need to clear or fix the issue that was arising in Google AdSense. So this was the page that you need to see that Google AdSense sent that to fix the error. So this is the error that you need to fix. Until and unless you fix this error, Google never going to allow to verify your website for monetization. Here the error is you need to fix some ad text file issues to avoid severe impact to your revenue. So already Google AdSense have been started monetizing your website, so that Google AdSense are allowing to fix some of the issues, whereas that over here you need to check it out and you need to fix it in Google AdSense. So you need to click fix now, and if you don't have this button fix now, you can click learn more, and you can see in learn more down, if you go to down arrow, you can see some of the options so that you can see the code over here, so that you can copy this google.com and some of the direct code over here, and you can fix it in your website in particular site and in a particular page. So that if you have fix now, you can click fix now option, and so that you will get one more option, download, and click download over here, and you can see that text file going to download. You can open the download and you can see code, two lines code in your text file. So that code is only for personal to your relating to your website. So because of that I have kept secret, so copy this whole code of this and go to directly to your concerned website, either your Blogger website or WordPress website, and copy this and go to your website and choose settings of your website, and you can see left side settings option is there, and click settings and scroll down in settings. So many sections will be there, and go to the section whereas you can see monetization section. See, in monetization you need to enable the custom ad text. So keep enable the custom ad text, and so that monetization gonna start. And later custom ad text, click it and click that custom ad text, and you need to paste that code that where you copied from AdSense. So that just simply paste it whereas you copied earlier, and that's it. There is saving settings going to be saved, and monetization, Google started, AdSense started to verify your website, to monetize your website. So this is how you need to fix that error, whereas you are going to see in Google AdSense. So within a minute or within few minutes or within a half an hour or within 1 hour, if you refresh your Google AdSense, that error going to be fixed. So this is the way that you need to fix the error to apply for your monetization or Google AdSense to verify your website for monetization. So I hope you understood that how to fix this issue in Google AdSense to apply for monetization, either to verify AdSense verify to your website. So thank you very much. If you like this content, please do like and subscribe.